am basically from electronics and communication background. After completing my engineering, I decided to join Jspider Rajajinagar. Jspider Rajajinagar is a very good platform to learn the new technologies like core Java, SQL, web technology, the technologies which helps to crack the interviews, and the faculties in the Jspiders are very interactive and very supportive, and by doing presentation it helps to crack the interviews. And I would like to thank Keshav sir, Uday sir, Sharik sir and Sayed sir. Keshav sir, Uday sir are teaching the core Java very well. They teach by taking real examples. It helps to understand quickly. And also I would like to thank Sharik sir. They teach programs very well, and also they teach SQL. It helps to crack the interview. And I would like to thank Sayed sir. They also teach very well web technology. And I would like to thank HR teams. They are very supportive and interactive. That's all. The Jspider Rajajinagar is the best place to learn and take job. Thank you so much.